Hey there, Desperate Actor here, and that's my meditation corner. I wanted to show you because this is the space that I mainly use to meditate and stuff, and I've been thinking about a lot of stuff today. Specifically, as you can see in the title of this video, it's what are your thoughts on Bitcoin? Like, what do you guys feel about cryptocurrency? Personally, I've been a crypto skeptic for a long time. Just because you turn to be a little skeptic about things that you don't understand. For example, uh, there was a point in time I didn't understand politics. There was a point in time I didn't understand economics. So same thing happened with crypto. Like it was something I didn't fully understand. I'm still learning about it. I'm still such a very beginner about it. But I made a, you can say, bet and stuff because of this bull market that we're experiencing. Um, and I am purchasing a total of like about 20 bucks a week worth of Bitcoin. Um, and the reason I'm doing it is because it's money that I can afford to lose. Like it's okay if I lose $80 a month, if everything goes kaploop. But there's a very, very, very high chance that I will actually make more than lose, and my money would multiply several times um, during the period that I'm gonna hold it. Because I plan to not. This is just gonna be a very you can say speculative, speculative. There you go, something like that. Play that I'm doing, but it's been because I've been following more people that talk about it more, people that have YouTube channels, people on Twitter that are talking about it more. I have friends of mine that are very invested. My ex girlfriend's dad is very. He's a much older guy. He's very into cryptocurrencies, and yeah, and I never really thought about it until now because now I see okay, there's a lot of crypto stuff that I need to learn, especially the smaller coins, but at least as like a safety net or as a way to edge against inflation, I might do the Bitcoin thing, you know? And I'm gonna do it slowly, slowly. There's no need to crank the volume. I think 20 bucks a week that I spend is about equivalent to 2 meals that I eat here. Um, so I can afford that. And but I want to know your thoughts. Are you like crypto to the moon person or crypto to Mars? Are you a skeptic? Are you curious? Uh, are you did you had some and then sold it because it flew high or whatever it is? Let me know. 'Cause I'm really curious. I'm very, like I said, I'm very beginner in this world. I don't know much about it. My stuff is mainly the stock market and things like that. But crypto is interesting. It's very interesting. And yeah, I just try to remain as open minded as possible to new ideas, new experiences, new opportunities, and new investments because that's how you're going to get ahead in life. Is the more open minded you are with certain things and you can analyze it carefully. And if you're like me and have like a little meditation corner, you can sit around and think about it and meditate on it, and after a few days, maybe weeks, maybe even months of thinking about this, then you can pull the trigger. I've been thinking about it for years now. It was first mentioned to me back in 2000, let's say 2016, and we're in 2021 now. So literally about 5 years ago, that's when it first got mentioned to me. Now I'm seeing higher institutions adopt it, like Cash App and PayPal, and big companies and big hedge fund managers are getting into the space. So there's definitely something there. But anywho, let me know are your thoughts on Bitcoin. Are you buying? Are you holding? Are you selling? What are you doing? Are you not even interested in that space? Just let me know. I would like to know. I like to get a little bit from everybody's thoughts. Makes me a better and wiser person. But anywho, don't forget to follow me on Twitter at comedian retired, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care and have a wonderful rest of your day.